Makadluliswe uJesu Kristo. Mhlanje thana zami ngifisa sibuke ivangeli likaJohannes isahluko sesithupha ivesi yama-24 kuze kube ama-35. Bathi abantu sebebona ukuthi uJesu akasekho kanye nabafundi bakhe sebewelele ngaphesheya komfula, basuka eKapenawume bahamba bambheka uJesu. Inkonzo engifisa uqala kuyona inkonzo yokubuka ukuthi obekade kumlethile lana akusekho. Khona inkonzo ithandwa zami uNkulunkulu ake ayivusa kuNaomi uma eshonelwa umyeni wakhe, eshonelwa amadodana akhe, wayisebisa omakoti uRuth kanye no-Oprah, wathi bantabami umyeni wami sefile, wathi abayeni benu sebeshonile. Ngifuna ukuhlala enkonzweni upon realizing ukuthi into obuyizela isekho wenze njani. Upon realizing ukuthi into obuyitshela uzoyithola awusayitholi wenze njani. Upon realizing ukuthi le ntambo ayibambile ayinalutho ngale wenze njani. Upon realizing ukuthi impilo ephilile has been nothing but a lie wenze njani. Uthi uNaomi mebisa amadodakazi akhe angomakoti chabayeni bena basekho, sigodukani niyemangini, hambani noqala phansi, hambani nozama impilo, hambani noduduzwa la emzalwa khona. U-Oprah uthatha konke uyavalalisa uthi sala kahle ma chingisayoqala kabusha. Kodwa uRuth uthathe inkonzo. uRuth uyasibuka lesalwazi athi manje afisa ukuhlala, athi uNaomi mntanami noma kuthiwa ngiyagana noma kuthiwa ngiyazala uyokhula leli lomntwana umshada ngomyeni wakho. Athi uRuth it's no longer about ukushada umyeni omusha, kodwa ngizohlala kuwena ngoba uNkulunkulu wakho ngifuna uNkulunkulu wami. Athi abantu bakini ngifuna baba abantu bami. Athi la uwathi wakhona, athi nami ngifuna ukuhamba la eduze kwakho. Upon realizing that you've been disappointed, that you've been betrayed, what do? Do you become angry and bitter, or you learn from the anger, you learn from the bitterness, you learn from the betrayal and say, I'm so saying how do you bounce back? How do you move on? Lamadoda yabona ukuthi akasekho uJesu, lamadoda yabona ukuthi sazeselapha, lamadoda yabona ukuthi inyoni yamasa isekho, and so bayadecide angisakwazi ukuqhubeka ngihlale. Abanye bethu abaziyo ukuthi ngilambile, omunye umuntu angilambele isinkwa athi kodwa kuyalima enhlizweni yami. Khona abanye abantu othi ubabona they look so beautiful, they look so handsome, they look so successful, but if you go into their life you realize they're so lonely. They can't go to bed bengaphuzanga because they need to numb the pain. Yabona khona into esiyenzeke empilweni ukubona umuntu athi kazeka uphila soft life. Mbuzo soft life ophila imuphi? Athi mina ngikwazi ukuya noma ikephi la ngifuna ukuya khona. Mina ngilala noma iliphi ihotela ngifuna ukuya kulona. Mina ngiphuza noma luphi uhlobo lotshwala engiphuzayo to prove that ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukwenza every night. Mina ngicela ukuyivela iphoshela ngiqede. Ungayithathi into eyibulawo uyibize ngesoft life. Khona abanye abantu okwathi ukuze sikwazi ukuqeda lo msebenzi, ukuze sikwazi ukuqeda lela khaya, ukuze sikwazi ukuqeda ngempilo zosibanibani asibabulale ngotshwala. In the name of soft life. Omunye umuntu ukuboneka athoza ukuphila life. Every week you poster, every day yena unabantu, yena yonke into uyayenza. You so realize it's no longer soft life. Sekuyibulawo. Apostle Paul ngiyithola nethi izinto engasafuni ukuyenza. Thando zami sonke silimele. Life is so messy. Sonke sibhukuja ojakeni. Sonke sifuna ukuphumelela siye ngale. Sonke sifuna ukukhanya. Nawu into engiyithanda ngalamadoda bayabona ukuthi no man they live a life of frustration. Bayabona impilo zabo chaotic. Bayabona yini into elungayo esobathi Nkosi ngifuna ubuso bakho. Athi ukuphila kahle. Athi sifuna ubuso bakho. Athi ukubala kahle. Athi bengiyakufuna uNkulunkulu athi mase ngimtholile. Athi bengiyakubeka. Mhlawumbe inkonzo uNkulunkulu asibizela kuyona inkonzo ethi Nkosi have lost the direction. Ethi Nkosi akusazazi ubani mhlawumbe kubaba kodwa I'm behaving like ingane encane. There's nothing so sad than ukufihla imali egcekeni because ubaba uzoyitshontsha. Then ukufihla imali egcekeni because uma uzoyitshontsha. Asafihlela abantwana bese sifihlela abantu abadala. There's something so sad uma abantwana bethu sebezosikhuza emaphutheni esiwenzayo. It's supposed to be other way around. And you realize that I've lost compass. I've lost the direction. Yabona ubothuka uma usuphumela ngaphandle ingane yakho ithi mange kuhamba qhubeka kanje. You must realize you've lost direction. Ubothuka uma ingane yakho ingasakwazi ukuthi hambe nawe nje ingintroduce kosibanibani because it means ma uyangenyesa phambi kwabazali babo naphambi kwabazali babo naphambi kwabangani babo. Never ever confuse living life and losing your sense of morality and be so cheap ukuthi nengane yakho ayisakwazi ukuhlala nawe etafuleni ibe comfortable. Athi lamadoda befika to this greater realization thobhala kahle awelela ngaphesheya kwesinye isikhathi kumele ukuthi masonungisa izinto ebese siyakushiya esikwaziyo sikhumule abakade kusiphathe kahle sizama ukususa abaseduze ebese bathi ngicela uyowelela ngale. Sometimes uyasuka la usuka khona because ngizwile ukuthi endaweni ukuthi nobaba okwazi ukusiza kunomama osizayo kunogogo osizayo ebese uyabatshela bonke abaseceleni ukuthi sengikwenze konke okwendawo kwazi ukungisiza sengikwenze konke enengise kubona abangisizanga anene nginike ithuba ngihambe ngoyibhekela. Khona isidingo kumele sifike empilweni uzokwenza into yakho ungabatshela uhlala nabo ukuthi ngisayobheka into engcono because yonke enginike yona has been nothing but a shame. Bantu mabefika ngalena iyodwa into abayibuza uJesu bathi kena Nkosi ufike nini la? But mhlawumbe mina ubuze bazobuza ubuzothi Nkosi sengiyabona sewufikile kodwa mina ngizofinyelela kanjani? Thandazama ukhulumi ngenkonzo yokuthi physically sengifikile ngoba ngiyafika athokula kahle athi your body is here athi your mind is in the other side of town. If you ever looked in the eyes of someone you married to and looked at this person, you can't say I love you. The only way you can say I love you back is when you think of someone else. Konito sasenziswa yona sayingane sakhulu mawuphuza ucasta oil yakubona nanenze njani mawuphuza ucasta oil kwakuthiwa na ucasta oil bese kuthiwa na yogurt so ucasta oil wawuxutshwa ne yogurt wena uyijaji uphuza yogurt kanti uphuza ucasta oil uthi mawuphuza ucasta oil ushaya yogurt ebese udlula mula bese khona ezinye izinto abanye bethi impilo zethu siyiphila like that siyayisheba because I can't deal with what is in front of me. It's so much I can't. I made a promise, but I realized the promise I made while I was lying. And so Musa, how do I get there? This is a journey. I don't know how to get out of it, but I know that I need something different from this. I realize but I definitely know what I have, it's not what I want anymore. But my figure Jesus ngiyazi ukuthi nizonzani la. Asalizange wena kunifuna mina. Thinize lapha because ngilambile. How many of us are like that? Studying for one reason, but sihlala for different reasons. Ekhona umunye umuntu okwambuka wamthanda bathi mayi babo angihlelele chips. Yayithi makwabo imkahle you2 slice noma ukuthi uyayithanda into yakho uyakwazi ukuhamba nayo everybody uhlangana nayo uthi intaka baba naze nafanelana naze na right couple of years abe grey couple of years abe nemandla couple of years alose shape couple of years abe wrinkled couple of years abe kwi accident and you realize umuntu engathandana naye is all the same. Omunye ahamba ejimini abe so fit abe so beautiful everyone else uyamfuna wena ohleli naye uthi ngingamdayisa ekseni because muhle ngaphandle bale inhliziyo ngiyayisaba. Thando zami bangake kuthina abahleli athi ngihlalela abantu abantu. Yazi ngakushada ngena ngane kodwa senzohlala not because not because usayinoya muntu akusengihlalela another reason. Basane ngikhiphe zonke izingane ngesibantu abanohlala ehall sikhulume nabantu abadala you'll realize ukuthi sonke silimele. Sonke sizama ukubhukuda sonke sizama to navigate through the messiness of life. We give people this beautiful face so that everything is okay. We lie to ourselves. Get right. Deep down we are all broken. Mbubuzi imicabelo yethu yazazi inyembezi zethu. Asemefike kuJesu. Iyodwa inkonzo uJesu ayishoyo. Singakhohliswa abantu ukuthi bathi baba bethu basinika isinkwa saphila. To Jesus, I am the bread of life. Mina okwazi ukuphelelisa izinto. Mina okwazi ukwelapha inhlupheko zeminyaka. Ndlovukazi yethu la ibenathi sibusiso sivikele. Masikhanyisele siphuse namandla lethu lasiyabona uNkulunkulu. Yethu abantu bayisebenzele njalo. Nomoya kaNkulunkulu leyo.